Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox two-step verification not sending email. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Roblox on your device and make sure that your account is signed in on the application. Now at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find the More button. You'll need to click on this. On the More section, look for the settings by scrolling down. Click on the settings, click on security, and this will redirect you to the security settings. Now as you can see in here, there are 3 ways for you to enable two-step verification. Now to enable two-step verification for email, just click on the enable button beside the email option. Now this will pop up. Click on confirm and Roblox will send you an email to your Google Mail. Now if you've checked your email and you still haven't received the code, just click on the send code button and recheck your email if there is already a code sent to your account. Now open this email and copy the code to enable two-factor verification to your Roblox account. Now if you've hit resend code button for the longest time and you still haven't received the code, then you should probably recheck the email that you've used to verify your account. Maybe you've mistakenly entered a different email to your account. So this method works for other two-step verification methods. And there you have it, folks. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.